this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And little Dennis is with us today, and we're going to be looking at this one here, which is hopefully issue number 31 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine. So this will be the last one for 2024. This was the last issue, which was issue number 30. And I just noticed something before I did. Look how much thicker the issues have gotten. That was issue number 6 from like years ago, and this was the last issue. Look how much thicker it is. Look, it's quite a lot. It's got a lot thicker. But as they all say, it's not about the size. But that was the last issue. This is my favourite issues. Like the cover, I love that cover. So I always ask myself, can this one beat that cover? And I've got a feeling that's going to be the best cover forever. That's what I think. Little Dennis is with us. He's going to help us get into it. And I was going to do a little rant about, because what's happened is 3DTotal Publishing have changed the people who do the posting, and it's now gone over to Every, who is really their Hermes. And well, look at the state of the packaging. That's how it got delivered, all smashed up, and it took about a week. It took about over a week to get delivered, and it was supposed to be 2 days. So it's a bit mad, and I don't like Hermes. So what I'm thinking is, if the postage isn't as good as it normally is, I would maybe cancel the subscription and buy them on Amazon or something. I really don't like that they've gone over to Hermes. But little Dennis has got us in. Oh, it's exciting. Oh, it's a black one. Oh, look. Cool little character. It's another green one. The last one was green, look. It was like a dark green. This one is I like the colour of that. Boing! Oh! Huh. Look at a little character. And we've got little funny things here as well. Well, I was going to say, I was hoping it was going to be a character cover like this one character. Because I do prefer the one character covers, but I love that. What I like about it is, look, it's almost like a little heart shape. Yeah, I'm in love with that character already. We've got a green spine, and this is, look, issue number 31. Character Design Quarterly magazine. That's still my favourite cover. But that's a really cool one. I prefer that cover to that one, because it's got quite a playfulness to it. So little Dennis is going to get us in. We're going to have a green. Oh, cool! Ah, look! Oh, I love that. They don't normally do that. That is cool. That is. We've got an actual character on the sleeve. So the thing there is all about the T-Rex, look. Lorenzo Etherington. I know that artist. I like the way they've used the green and red on that. Hey, that's interesting. We've got a white background, because normally that is a colour, and it's normally the other way around, I think. Yeah, look. Oh, I love that. Yeah, that's cool. Wonder what that character's called. Oh yeah, really exciting looking content page that is. Do you prefer it like that, or like it used to be? Like that or like that? I don't know. I like the simplicity of that. That one it looks quite hectic like that, but I like it somehow. I like the look of that character there. We've got a fisherman as well, look. Yay! Behind the cover art with Feefal. Oh, I love that character. Like little witches. This reminds me of like Moomins. You know the Moomins? Oh, look. I like the nose. I like the way this artist does noses. They're like little pointy noses. Can you hear my cat, Chloe? Yeah, this artist has got really nice, simple shapes. Nice legs. Look at the hair on that, look. Look at him, look. He's quite funny as well. Friendly. Here we go, look at the noses, look. Yeah. It's all very simple shapes. That's cool as well, isn't it? Seeing it like that. I like the shape of that hat as well. The full illustration with its new extension attached. I wonder if they named these characters. Like they're like little sort of witchy type fairies or something. Scare, wash, rinse, repeat. It's another cool looking character as well. Lots of greens in this issue. I read a book with a character like that. It was called Ghost Club. It was a graphic novel about a ghost who had basically like social anxiety. It was quite a good little book, that Ghost Club. I love that character. See, I prefer it there without any lighting. I think it looks... I like it there better. Yeah, I like that character. Look at that, look. Brushes. Look, trying different colours. Hanging ghosts up to dry. What I've noticed is, you know, these issues have got bigger. They haven't. I don't think they've increased the amount of articles. They've just made the articles longer. Do try this at home. Want to follow along with the steps of this tutorial and further explore Teo's unique approach to character design? Scan the QR code to download the Photoshop files. That's quite cool, isn't it? I like the way they hang that on the washing line as well. Quite funny. What's little thumbnails or something, is it? Silhouettes. Another like friendly that's quite cool, guys. Shrimp. A little shrimp. You don't often see shrimps, do you? As like characters. It's quite cool, it is. Meet the artist Rex Crowle. Rex Crowle. Is that Sid? Yeah, Monkey Island. I thought it was. Look, he works on Return to Monkey Island. I thought that was Monkey Island. Hey, Tearaway, video game, PlayStation. I completed that on the on Vita. Oh, cool. Love that game. If you never played it, it's cool. It is. Look, Monkey Island. Big square head. My favourite point and click game growing up was Discworld. I loved that game. It's funny, but I got stuck. I've played Monkey Island a little bit, but not. I played Discworld mostly, and Sam and Max. Look at these two, look. Knights and Bikes, that's from. Love that. Look at that, look. Development gallery of Laura Pauselli. That is lovely, isn't it? Look at these shapes, look. I love these. These are like tattoos. Oh, cool. Making a mech. So we've gone from that to this. Evangelion, that reminds me of Evangelion. That's a cool looking character. Definitely looks best in red. Roger Pérez, Family Fortunes. Lady... I don't know who these characters are. Hey, look. It's quite interesting. What's this? Is this like the shapes they base these characters on? Squares, circle. I quite like that one actually, with the triangle glasses. My favourite outfit is that one. Yeah, I'm not very keen on these characters. They're a bit sort of like, well, grotesque, I was thinking. Like, it reminds me of like, well, like evil. It's got like, they've got like an evilness about them. Even that cat. I feel like I've seen them somewhere before as well. Marco Ferraris. He's a cool character. Oh yeah, look at these, look. Ice, fire, green. Next one should be water. Oh, I ain't got one. They're missing the water one. Meet the artist, David Ardinaryas, Johanna. Yeah, look. Oh, cool. Friends. Oh, wait, look at his toe, look. He's like he's sort of, someone's tickling him or something. There he is, that fisherman, look. Got big heads, haven't they? These characters. Look at all these, look. She's nice. These are interesting characters. I think that's my favourite character there. She's quite nice as well. No, she's my favourite. Little mermaid there, look. Yeah, they've all got like slightly bigger heads than normal. I love the colour on that page. How I stylise. Oh, cool pose, look. Huh, and that one. I like this artist. Yeah, I love this artist. Yaroslava Apollonova. Look, Yaroslava. I love the pose, look. You can really feel the poses here. And the nice colours as well. I like this one as well. Look, got a tongue out. I love it when a character has their tongue out. Yeah. That's cool as well, look. A world in your pocket. This issue's got a lot of different styles in it, like really quite, well, diverse I suppose. Look, paint's right next to a keyboard. I like that. Reminds me of Prinny. There's a video game called Lojaya, and there's a character called Prinny. One of my favourite characters he is. I like these little things here. Another little ghost there. Oh, cool. Look at that. How cool is that? A little cat dancing or something. Yeah. Can you hear Chloe outside? Chloe! Hello. I love the style of these ones. Oh, we're finished. Contributors. Here's all the people, look. Dun 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 dun. I love looking at their little faces. David. Roger Pérez. And then... So how many, what have we got here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 girls, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boys. So there's more boys in here than girls. Da da da! Yeah. I'm so glad they kept these little characters. Oh, I like the paper feeling. It's got a nice roughness to it. Subscribe for £35 a year. So this was obviously the December issue, 2024. Look, they've done. I love it that they do this now. You can cut that out and have a little print of the cover. That's cool. Oh, I hope you enjoyed that. I loved it. It's so fun going through these character design quarterly magazines. I really hope you enjoyed it. That was issue number 31 for December 2024. And I shall see you later for another one.